Hey, welcome to a SMSblast video. My name is Efren, one of the founders of SMSblast.io. Today, I'll be showing you how to properly send out a text blast to your list. If you see on the right-hand side where the video of me is showing, you can see I already verified my email on the account. I purchased and verified a phone number, and now we're gonna do the rest of the steps. So if you're new to SMSblast, head down to the phone numbers and purchase your first number. Once it gets verified, then come back to this video. But anybody that's currently at this stage now, I will be showing you how to send out your first text blast. So the very first thing we got to do is we're going to import our contacts. As you can see, it's a clean slate. This is one of our clients currently. We're doing this for them so we can make this video. So I'm going to go ahead and click import. It's going to ask me to import the contact list. This is a accounting firm in Sonoma, California. So this is a list they sent us as they're looking to get more businesses to sign up to their accounting firm. So what we're going to do is click first name, make sure this matches, last name, this match, address, city, state, all this is matching, phone number required, and then we're going to name our list. It's going to be Sonoma, California. Oops. Businesses. This is important that you start with a clean slate when you're importing your contacts. A lot of times people just like import and don't add a list, or they don't keep track of the list. So this is what is currently in their CRM. So we're just going to put Sonoma, California businesses. It created the list. And then I'm going to hit import. So as you can see, the list is 2,998. It's skipped 3. It's showing its duplicate. So we actually have 2,995. It is blurred out, so you can't see a lot of the information. But as you can see, it's total contacts, active contacts, opt out, deleted. You can clean the list on phone numbers that are most likely landlines. The phone number's been disconnected, and I believe it's like really affordable. So to clean the whole list is $22.46, but this is straight from the CRM, so I'm not going to do that. I am going to add funds, so I'm going to click add funds. We're going to load $150. Perfect. It is pay as you go, so there's no need to have any subscriptions. I would say about 99% of the platforms out there that do text blasting or some type of CRM, they do a monthly subscription. We have no monthly subscription. It's pay as you go. We're just pay as you go. So as you can see, I loaded $150. Now it's time to send out a text blast. I'm going to go to send blast, and I'm going to click on the list. And then right here, it's going to show you the number that you're going to be sending out a text from. You're allowed to do 20,000 messages a day. Those 20,000 messages, you can do more if you buy more phone numbers. So I did use ChatGPT to come up with something, and I pretty much came up with this. I'm just going to tailor it a little bit more. As you can see, running a business is hard. Taxes don't have to be. Reply yes to see how elite accounting can help, right? So it is showing one segment. This is super important for you to keep track of, because if you add more copy, your message will be longer. You see how it turned into 2 segments, and my cost shot up, right? It doubled because it's a penny and a half for 1 segment. The longer the message, the carrier's charges more. So we're just going to go ahead and delete this and turn this into 1 segment. So the estimated cost of this message is $52 and 1/10 of a penny. So running a business hard, taxes don't have to be, right? And then we can do something like reply yes to see how elite accounting can help. I love to put spaces. I like to split up the message. If your message is long, don't just copy a large sum of copy and paste it. As you will start to notice, the more messages you send out, the better response you'll get. A lot of times I like to put the name on the beginning and then press space. So like, hey, placeholder, first name. So when they get the text message, it says their name, right? They say, hey, Edward. And they're like, who is this? And they click it and then they read it, right? So you want them to open it. For this one though, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. These are opt-ins, so we're just gonna go ahead and put running a business hard, taxes don't have to be. Reply yes to see how Elite Accounting can help. I do want to mention that the opt-out message is already included in the characters, so you don't have to worry about that. That's another reason why I put another space. As you can see on the right-hand side here, the message would be literally right under the help. So if I press space and space, the opt-out message is going to be on its own line. I found over years of sending out text messages, this is a way better technique than to just blob it up. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and click preview. It's going to say from what number it's coming from, and then it's going to give me the estimated. I do want to say carrier fees are estimates. It's hard to get the exact carrier fee because if it's T-Mobile, it's going to cost a little bit more. If it's Verizon, depending on the carrier that that person has, it would fluctuate. But it's pretty accurate. $52 is going to be what's going to cost me. If there's anybody that went on the DNC, you can use a compliance filter. It helps you stay more compliant. But again, these are opt-ins, so I'm just going to unclick that, and I'm going to send the first message. So as we're sending, send, it queued 2,995 messages. My total cost is 52. Again, it'll fluctuate. If you scroll up and you go to blast history, you're gonna see your blast in here, and it's gonna tell you how many are left. The 18 messages, I do wanna say, it sends it out within 1 hour. So it doesn't send it all at once. What we wanna do is we don't wanna, send 3,000 text messages from your number at the same time. It just carriers will block it, they'll consider it spam, and so on. So as you can see here, it queues up one message, boom, 45 cents. And it's probably gonna wait a few seconds, and then it's gonna queue up some more, 48. If people are responding back, you can go into Messenger, and then you can go to unread. If you think a lead is really hot, you can actually mark a lead, right? So as you can see, let's say this person responds like, yeah, I'm interested. You can mark it as a lead, contact marked as lead, and then you can see all the leads down here. Let's say the lead didn't turn out being as hot, you can just go ahead and remove it. If for some reason you have to leave the computer and don't have enough time to just spend on this, on this computer, you get a call or something happens, you can actually go into automations, and then you can go to automation keywords, automations, and then you can put your email on here to send you notifications if somebody responds back to you. So you just gotta turn this on and then put your email, and that's it, nothing fancy. I'm gonna turn this off since you're gonna be looking at this blast. Again, everything comes inside the messenger. Any leads or anybody that seems interested, you wanna mark it as a lead. You can also see the history as it's sending out here. I do wanna mention one last thing. If you see SMS inbound here and you don't see any messages in your inbox, that means they are opting out or they're saying something really rude, and the system automatically opts them out for you. We don't want to bother this person anymore. We know it's not going to be a lead or qualify for your business. They might have opted in or something. Now they just don't want to hear it. So we went ahead and built the filter to automatically filter that out. As you will see here, the balance still shows 150, but if you refresh it, it's probably going to go down. So you will see it go down over time until the blast is fully set. Other than that, thank you for joining me on sending your first blast. And thank you for joining SMS Blast. And hope nothing but success comes your way. See you on next video.